Hello, food lovers! If you love pancakes but want to try something even more fun and delicious, you're in for a treat. Today, we're making adorable mini pancake cereal, a viral breakfast trend that's crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and perfect for pairing with fruits, honey, chocolate, or even milk. Let's jump right into the recipe. Ingredients: 1 egg, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/2 cup milk, 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon oil. Optional toppings: strawberries, bananas, blueberries, honey, chocolate sauce, peanut butter, a splash of milk. In a mixing bowl, whisk together the egg and sugar until slightly frothy. Add in the milk, flour, vanilla extract, and baking powder. Then mix well until smooth. The consistency should be thick but still pourable, similar to regular pancake batter, but slightly thicker. If it's too runny, the pancakes will spread too much in the pan. Lightly grease a non-stick pan with a bit of oil and heat it over medium heat. Once the pan is warm, use a teaspoon to drop small dollops of batter onto the pan, creating tiny pancakes. If you have a squeeze bottle or piping bag, you can use that to make uniform mini pancakes quickly. When the pancakes start to form tiny bubbles on the surface, carefully flip them using a fork or spatula. Cook until golden brown on both sides. Repeat until all the batter is used up. Transfer the freshly cooked mini pancakes into a deep serving bowl. Now comes the fun part: toppings. You can enjoy them with fresh fruit, drizzle them with honey or chocolate sauce, or even pour in some milk for a pancake cereal experience. These adorable bite-sized pancakes are guaranteed to become a family favorite. Whether you're making them for kids, guests, or just treating yourself, they're irresistibly delicious and so much fun to eat. Try them out and let me know in the comments what toppings you used. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy cooking!